Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. In today's video we're gonna make a trip to one of the most typical desserts from Venezuela, which is a quesillo. Look this loveliness. This one is creamy because I'm making it with coconut milk. This is a kind of a variation of the standard one, and we just need 7 ingredients, the ones you just see in the video. I'm gonna leave them in the description. We're gonna start pouring our Venezuelan rum carúpano, which is in the near where I come from, Venezuela actually. A nice rum, Venezuelan one, 21 years age. So we're gonna start making it with 2 tablespoons, just a caramel, just on a pan, sugar, and that's it. You can add a little bit more of sugar. It's basically up to you. So in our mixer or blender, we are gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 condensed milk, as you see this one, just one of those. Yeah, just help yourself with this spatula. It's quite easy. Yeah. Now we're gonna pour 1 can of coconut milk. The standard one is just regular milk, but I'm using coconut milk because it's just make it creamy and really nice. Yeah. After that, after the milk, we are gonna add 5 eggs. These are medium-sized eggs. If they are too big, you can add 4 of them. And we're gonna pour our Venezuelan rum. Yeah, that will do it. Yeah, those are our ingredients. A touch of salt, just slightly pinch of salt, and that will do it. We're gonna blend it, nicely blended. In the meantime, we're making our caramel. Yeah, it's just like quite easy and speedy to prepare. Yeah, look, our caramel is just done, and we're just gonna move it through our container. This time is a pot which I'm using because I'm gonna bake it, so it cannot be a plastic container or something like that when we're gonna pour it, of course. Yeah, because caramel is of course hot. Yeah. So look, in this pot, you're gonna help yourself with a spatula or with a spoon. Like you pour it and you don't go through the caramel. Yeah, just like that. Now squeeze every single little bit for it, and now we're just gonna cover it. If the pan has a lid or the pot has a lid, you can use the lid. Yeah. In this case, it does have a lid, but I am actually gonna cover it with alu foil, and I will put the lid on it. My lid is just a glass one, and it has a hole on it, so that's why I'm just covering it. And we got a preheated oven at 160 degrees, and I'm putting our quesillo into the oven for 1 hour. Yeah, just like that. And 2 hours later, this is our result. So let's check it out. Oh, looks good. Now you can help yourself with a knife or something like that if you want, or you can just move it like you see in the video I'm doing, just to make sure it's not sticky on the sides of our pan. Yeah, look, very easy. Now we're just gonna turn it, and we are just almost ready to eat. The caramel didn't came out too much actually. I don't know why, but it's also a nice version. So we're gonna have a plate. We're gonna put it on top of our pan, and we're just gonna turn it, and we are just serving it as it is. Yeah, just our coconut quesillo, lovely tropical flavors on it. So just like that. It should have a little bit more of caramel, maybe, but it didn't. Maybe a little bit more of sugar in the caramel, but actually I like sugar reduced, just to say it like that. Just look at this. This is very nice one. The shape, it looks nice. On the sides as well, looks pretty nice. Now it's just time to cut it and enjoy it. So if you are so far to here, just subscribe to the channel, hit that thumb up button, and if you have any other question, just leave it down here in the comment box. I will be very happy to help you and answer your questions. So I wish you a nice journey and enjoy it.